Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 5. By the end of the week, you should be able to identify pre-reading, during reading, and post-reading instructional strategies. Those can be found in our Daniels and Zemmelman text, as well as the Allen charts. You should be able to understand visualization and how to implement it with trade books. Determine which vocabulary requires explicit instruction and an understanding of useful strategies for vocabulary instruction. You'll be able to determine a definition, the purpose, and instructional strategies for academic vocabulary. And you will be able to write measurable learning objectives and/or outcomes. You have no assigned readings for this week. Here is your PowerPoint presentation. The read aloud is See the Ocean, and you're going to be focusing on visualization with this read aloud. This is a video on writing measurable objectives. Here is a video of how to submit to Chalk and Wire through Moodle. Now, your dyslexia assignment is due this week. Oh, where is it? On your direction sheet, which is in box under Student Resources, here are the two rubrics. One is for Chalk and Wire and one is for Moodle. They're the same, it's just point differences. So please look at that before you submit your dyslexia plan. You've already chosen your strategy. You've chosen your content area. You need to write measurable objectives related to the standard. Design an activity where you will choose a content reading strategy that could be used with the students that have dyslexia. You have to explain why you're using that particular strategy for students with dyslexia. Connect your explanation to resources from our course or from independent research you found on your own. So that means you're going to be having a citation and a reference on your plan. Finally, you're going to create a self-assessment for the student to use for this lesson. It could be a checklist, reflection instrument. Self-assessment can be lots of different things. Here is the template for the assignment. You're going to upload this to Chalk and Wire and also Moodle. When you upload it to Chalk and Wire, make sure that your artifact reflection is there as well as the dyslexia assignment. So there should be two things. Please check to make sure they're both there. Here is an example plan. Make sure that you have the topic of the lesson, the grade level, which is 3, the reading content standard, and if you have a topic standard, please put that in also. This one has 2, as the reading content and the science. The measurable learning outcome should follow the condition, behavior, criteria format. You're going to have a rationale for the strategy that directly aligns with the content statement. A measurable objective. Students will be able to make entries into their science notebook to illustrate and define the academic language terms necessary to understand the lesson. including rock, mineral, geologist, inorganic, shape, streak, magnifying glass, luster and texture, and inorganic with 90% accuracy. Make sure that your measurable objective has condition, behavior, and criteria format. I don't want you to lose points for that. This is where you put the reason that you chose the strategy that you did. So you have your chosen strategy, the rationale for the strategy, how it directly aligns with the objective and topic, demonstrates strong knowledge of content-specific concepts, and clearly states 3 to 4 reasons why the selected strategy best supports desired learning outcomes for all students. So I'm looking for a description of the strategy, the rationale why you chose that. I'm looking for research and 3 to 4 reasons in this section. The student self-assessment goes here. And remember, this is for the student, and this should directly align with your objectives. If you have questions, please ask me. Thank you.